Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today is a first, y'all. It is a first. I'm kind of shocked to say it's a first, but today is the first time in the entire time I've had my channel up now for about 2 years that I'm going to be reviewing and comparing the OG from Bath & Body Works, Gingham. Yep, she is just re-released in new packaging. So we're going to talk about her today and do some comparisons. Yes, yes. But of course, today's lip look is by me, Banger Beauty by Mary. I am wearing Sour Apple Sparkler. Y'all, look how much of this I've used. It's like almost gone. Like crazy, crazy, crazy. I love this because even though it's green, it still does not make your lips look green. It is just a gorgeous shimmer. It's part of my summer shimmer collection. It smells and tastes like sour green apple. And right now over at Banger Beauty by Mary, this whole weekend, y'all, Friday through Sunday, we have free shipping on every order that's over $30. You don't got to do nothing special, no code. It automatically is adjusted at the checkout. So get over to Banger Beauty by Mary, check out some stuff. Now's the time to get it. All right. Gingham. All right, scent notes on Gingham are blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. Y'all, I really have forgotten how much I do really adore this scent. It is such a pretty take on fresh floral. I say fresh floral because it's light and airy. It's kind of vibrant and happy. Like you definitely get the freesia, but freesia is not overpowering in here, which a lot of scents that have freesia, that always tends to be the dominant note, but that's not the case with Gingham. I'm not really getting a whole lot of clementine in here. I do get a tiny bit of peach, a tiny bit of violet, a little bit of clean musk in the background. The peach comes through a little bit more as it wears on. It's a gorgeous, pretty, airy, fresh floral. I do love this scent. It was crazy because when they re-released this new repackaging of Gingham, I was going through my collection and I'm like, where the hell is the Gingham that I had? And then it dawned on me, girl, you used it up, sis. You used it up. You needed another one. So that's why I got it. Yes, yes. But I'm so glad to have her back because it's such a perfect, beautiful scent for summertime, for springtime. Hell, honey, you could wear this any time of the year, really. Let's get real. Let's get real. Yes, this is one of my daughter's favorites. She loves that it's like it's feminine and pretty and sweet, but it's airy and fresh, and she really loves those fresher type of scents, and this falls right in line with that. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. But let's get into some comparisons, shall we? Shall we? Let's do it. Oh, I've seen some. I've seen some. One that I did see all over TikTok was Lovely Dreamer. Yes, Girl. Lovely Dreamer has scent notes of fluffy musk, clean woods, white iris, and fresh bergamot. Well, you don't say. And I'm going to have to say no. No, baby, no. No, Lovely Dreamer has definitely more musk in it than Gingham does, like by far. Lovely Dreamer is a beautiful scent. I do think they did her a tiny bit dirty with the re-release because she's nowhere near as strong as she used to be. However, we know how Bath & Body Works rolls. That ain't nothing new to us. But you definitely get the musk, a little bit of woody notes in Lovely Dreamer, tiny bit of iris, tiny bit of bergamot. It's kind of like a musky, woody floral with just a slight splash of citrus from that bergamot, but it's so slight and such in the background, it's hardly even worth mentioning. It's predominantly a woody, musky floral. That's what it is. And there is nothing woody about gingham. No, no. Yeah, absolutely not. So I'm going to have to respectfully disagree. Another one I saw, which kind of like, I want to see the comparison. I think these would layer together beautifully, but they don't smell alike to me, at least not to my sniffer, was Armani's Acqua di Gio. Yeah, the original Acqua di Gio, I was kind of like, what? Scent notes are, now I don't have the Armani one, I have Dossier, because y'all know I ride for Dossier. I love their scents. They're affordable and they're spot on dupes. Scent notes are mint, blackcurrant, lemon, aquatic accord, peony, jasmine, pink pepper, cedarwood, and laudanum. No, this is like a deep aquatic. It is a darker, deeper aquatic. You definitely get lemon in here. I do not pick up any notes of lemon in gingham. If anything, you know what this would pair beautifully with is that fresh Amalfi lemon. Ooh, yeah, baby. You also get notes of the peony and the pink pepper. I don't get a lot of jasmine in here, but definitely cedarwood and laudanum. Like, it is a woody aquatic, and I'm here for it. We all know I'm down with aquatics this year, but I do, no, this is not getting, no, absolutely not. This is so fresh and bright in comparison to this. No, ma'am, no. Now, two other ones I heard a lot about. One of them was lavender. Yes, lavender. Because if you watched my reviews on this, I don't feel like this is predominantly lavender. Scent notes are lavender, jasmine, and vanilla. Vanilla, ho! I love this scent. It is gorgeous. But what I predominantly get from this is vanilla, then the jasmine, then the lavender. Why they would call this lavender is a little odd to me, since lavender is not the predominant note. This is beautiful. I'm so glad I did not sleep on this scent, because I'm not a huge lavender fan. And when I smelled this the first time in store, I was like, ooh. But then I happened to go through the store again, like a week or so later, and I smelled it again. And I don't know if I got a funky bottle that first time, but when I smelled that second time, I was like, whoo, hold on here, hold on. Because she is gorgeous. Yes. But again, it's vanilla, jasmine, and lavender. None of those notes are present in here. No, I don't understand it. Again, freesia and jasmine are different. Just because they're flowers does not mean they smell the same, ma'am. No. This, again, is very bright and airy and crisp and beautiful. This is more sultry and decadent and kind of like, you know what I mean? Yes, very, very different. Extremely different, in my opinion. Now, the last one, I did have to stop and think about it. And we're going to do a side-by-side sniff. I haven't done it yet because I was like, who is it? Could it be close? Could it be close? And it is none other than Butterfly. Butterfly, she was a huge hit for Bath & Body Works the past couple years. I heard rumors they're discontinuing her, but I don't know. Scent notes are raspberry nectar, iris petals, and airy vanilla. I do love me some Butterfly, but the predominant note in here is raspberry. You definitely get raspberry, like, without a doubt. And I smell it even stronger after smelling this. Yeah. There's a little bit of iris, a tiny bit of vanilla, but it's in the background. What you mostly get is this beautiful raspberry nectar. There's no raspberry in here. They're both bright, beautiful scents. However, this definitely has a fruity vibe to it, and I don't get that same type of fruity vibe from here. Yes, they list peach, they list clementine. I don't predominantly get those notes. It is beautiful. I love me some gingham. I love me some butterfly, but they are different. Absolutely. In fact, smelling them side by side, butterfly comes off way sweeter than gingham does. Absolutely, 100%. But yes, that is my thoughts on review and comparison on the original gingham, the OG, Triple G. What did you guys think? Are you a fan of gingham, the original? Do you think that she is a classic scent that should never be retired? Or have we kind of seen enough of her? Like, let me know in the comments below, for sure. And make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Free shipping all weekend. All orders over $30. Get you some Banger Beauty. And as always, we're at my favorite part now. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.